Hello, so here we are in our second Learn video. I've scrolled down the course content page so you can see the weekly folders. We are obviously already missed week one, but in week one folder you can see that I try to have pictures that will show you a little bit about what we're going to be talking about in that class that week, and also to help you kind of just stay engaged with the different content. So if we look at week one, this is what I would like for you to do before our next class. So you should read chapter one and do the first discussion. So in chapter one, you're going to do the ebook reading through Pearson. You're going to take the quiz and you're going to watch the video in chapter one, all through Pearson. So this is our discussion one, exceptional people in your life. So if you haven't posted to this discussion board, please do that before next class, and read the syllabus to follow the discussion expectations. So I would like for you to post, and I would like for you to respond to at least 2 other people's posts in that discussion thread. Here's the PowerPoint for chapter one, so I encourage you to take notes, whether you want to print the PowerPoint and take notes on it while you read, or just have a notebook where you take notes. I think that's important to be an active learner, and it will be helpful to have something to review when we are doing our online chats in class, and when we're doing our assignments in class. It'd be helpful for you to keep a list of questions that you have, write down concepts that you're confused about, anything like that. Here is, I also in each week, I try to have supplementary information to kind of round out the course readings. So you don't have to do this first assignment, this small group activity, because we're going to do that in class when we get together finally. But in order to be prepared for that activity, I would like for you to read this article, Disability or a Handicap. So words matter, and we're going to start to learn how to use appropriate terminology and vocabulary when we are working with individuals. I have here a student's guide to disability etiquette. So again, if you are teaching in a class, you don't have a lot of familiarity with individuals who are differently abled, then this is a great resource to read to help you acquire the vocabulary so that you can then work with your students who are going to need that vocabulary. And this is the introductory link, so do please take a minute to introduce yourself and say hello.